ang mandate ng isang agency.
Sige. Tanong ko sa'yo, did the circular limit that to crime prevention? Kasi nga sabi mo, dapat may mahuli.
Ang nakalagay po kasi sa JC under 4.8.5 is proof of success.
Your Honor, please. Your Honor, please, can the witness be directed? You just answer with yes or no. The counsel has her time to ask clarificatory questions later
Your Honor,
during
not all
redirect, Your
questions.
Honor.
Not all questions can be answered by yes.
I am on cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels.
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination.
Counsels.
Misleading questions are not allowed.
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsels,
I don't think I need to lecture
please,
you that.
counsels, let's not allow the generational or seeming generational divide increase the tension in the courtroom. Let's keep it a notch lower.
Your Honor, please, I am preventing myself from giving her a spanking, Your Honor. That is what I would
Your
have
Honor,
done
please.
Again,
in the
counsels.
generational divide, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
counsels, you are all members of the bar and
Yes,
you're
Your Honor.
all counsels
I submit.
for the
I
parties.
submit.
And we will be treating and looking at each one equally.
Ela iprenesenta ng Defense Counsel ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa pagpapatuloy ng impeachment trial ngayong araw yung ilang certification na isumite ng Office of the Vice President sa Commission on Audit kaugnay ng paggamit o paggastos nito ng confidential funds. Ito ay nang magsagawa si Attorney Christine Ferrer ng cross-examination kay Silene May del Campo, State Auditor ng COA Intelligence and Confidential Funds Audit Office o COA ICFAO. Partikular na ang Protective Intelligence Operations Reports para sa engagements ni Vice President Duterte mula first quarter hanggang third quarter ng 2023. Ilang confidential activities ang tinukoy ng Defense Counsel na nakasaad sa certification at tinanong ang testigo kung maituturing bang administrative work ang mga ito o may kinalaman sa surveillance activities at information gathering. Matatanda ang ipinahayag ni Del Campo na hindi maituturing na compliant sa Joint Circular 2015-01 ang mga report na isinumite ng OVP kaugnay ng paggastos nito ng confidential funds noong 2023, dahilan ng Notice of Disallowance issuances ng COA.
Natin yung item number 5. Liaising with Intel operatives and respective informants of the PNP for the data information gathering needed for the threat assessment on criminalities in the municipality of Bustos and its neighboring communities. Ano yan? Intelligence work ho yan? Or ano lang ng admin work lang ng Office of the Vice President?
Papasok po siya sa intelligence gathering.
Ilang beses namang nagkaroon ng bagyang tensyon ng tutulan ng Counsel for the Panel of House Prosecutors na si Attorney Lorna Capuna ng mga pagtatanong ni Attorney Ferrer kay Del Campo. Namagitan na rito ang presiding officer ng Senate Impeachment Court na si Senator Judge Francis G. Escudero.
Counsels.
Never
What is
mind if
surveillance
you're
work
on
as
cross.
defined in the circular?
There are
Ito
limits
po
to
yung
cross-examination.
di ba po yung
Counsel.
confidential
Misleading
expenses is
questions are
used
not
by
allowed.
agencies
They are
for
allowed.
surveillance and
Please,
surveillance
counsels.
activities na makakatulong
Let's
po
not
sa na
allow
maisagawa
the generational
ang
or
mandate
seeming
ng isang
generational
Okay, sige.
divide increase the
Tanong ko sa'yo,
tension in the
did the
courtroom.
circular limit that to crime
let's keep it a
prevention?
notch
Kasi nga
lower.
sabi mo, dapat may mahuli.
Ang nakalagay po kasi sa JC under 4.8.5 is proof of success.
Your Honor, please.
Let the witness answer your
Your Honor, please,
Mr.
can the...
Presiding officer, can the counsel be instructed not to stop the witness at mid-sentence, Your Honor?
Your Honor, please, can the witness be directed? You just answer with yes or no. The counsel has her time to ask clarificatory questions later
Your Honor,
during
not all
redirect, Your
questions.
Honor.
Not all questions can be answered by yes.
I am on cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels.
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination.
Counsels.
Misleading questions are not allowed.
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsels,
I don't think I need to lecture
please,
you that.
counsels, let's not allow the generational or seeming generational divide increase the tension in the courtroom. Let's keep it a notch lower.
Your Honor, please, I am preventing myself from giving her a spanking, Your Honor. That is what I would
Your
have
Honor,
done
please.
in the
counsels.
generational divide, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
counsels, you are all members of the bar and
Yes,
you're
Your
all
Honor.
counsels
I submit.
for the
I
parties.
submit.
And we will be treating and looking at each one equally.
Kasunod naman nito, tinanong ng presiding officer kung papaano maituturing ng COA na successful ang information gathering at surveillance activities ng isang ahensyang may alokasyon ng confidential funds.
Ibahin natin ang payment for reward at payment for information. Ang payment for reward, yun ang hinahanapan mo ng success.
Opo, tama po.
Yung payment of information, hindi mo hinahanapan ng success yun.
Hindi po.
Tama po ba?
Opo, tama po.
So yung reward, kaya yung reward ang dinisallow at yung information, hindi mo dinisallow yung bayad na yun, di ba?
Hindi po natisalaw yung purchase of information.
So ang dinisallow mo lang ay yung payment of reward, for rewards rather.
Opo, tama
At yun
po.
ang hinahanapan mo ng success, hindi yung information.
Hindi po.
Magkaiba yun.
Opo, magkaiba po yun.
So, attorney, ano bang mahalaga doon sa pagpresenta at pahayag po ng witness?
Hinihintay ko pa rin hanggang ngayon yung connection kay VP Sara Duterte. Isang question lang po ang tinanong ni Prosecutor Lorna Kapunan kanina with the purpose na idawit si VP Sara Duterte. Ang tanong po ay, may pagkakasala po ba dito si VP Sara Duterte? Ang sabi ng witness, oo. Ano po ang iyong basehan? Dahil po nag-approve siya ng mga plano at ng mga dokumento ng mga report na isinabit sa kanya. Pero yun po ba ang sinasabi ng batas? Misrepresentation po ang sinabi ng witness na porket ikaw ay nag-approve ng mga plano at pumirma ng mga general reports ay sangkot ka na. Ikaw na ang liable. Hindi po. Ang sabi po ng Section 103 ng PD 1445, ang person na responsible doon sa mga nawawalang pera ay yung taong directly na may hawak, directly responsible, directly accountable doon sa salapi. At nakalagay din po sa parehong batas at nakalagay na rin sa circular ng COA na ang accountable officer ay yung tao na naghahawak ng pera or permitted na humawak ng pera. Yun po ang malinaw na sinasabi ng batas. Bakit nila ipinipilit na yung head of agency ang may kasalanan? Wala namang ganun na definition yung circular at wala ring definition yung PD 1445 or any law for that matter. At kung titingnan natin, meron na pong nakatalaga na special disbursing officer. Hindi mo po pwedeng sabihin na sabay na accountable officer yung special disbursing officer at saka yung head of agency. Kasi po nakalagay doon sa circular ng COA, head of agency or special disbursing officer. Kung meron na pong special disbursing officer, hindi na po pwedeng yung head of agency pa yun. Yun po yung special disbursing officer. Yung interpretation po na ito ay mas consistent po sa Section 104 ng PD 1445 dahil po ang liability lang ng head of agency kapag merong ibang tao na accountable officer ay to exercise diligence of a good father of a family. So in other words, dapat magpakita ng ebidensya itong COA auditor na hindi nag-exercise ng required diligence si VP Sara Duterte. Sa ganong area hindi siya nag-testify, hindi niya ipinakita na nag-fail si VP Sara Duterte na mag-exercise ng due diligence. Sana nag-layout siya ng standard, anong mga checks ang dapat niyang gawin at ano yung mga nakaligtaan na checks na hindi niya ginawa which gave way doon sa pagkakawalan ng pera kung totoo mang nangyari yung bagay na yun. And paulit-ulit siyang bumabalik doon sa provision 8.3 ng circular na sinasabi na accountable officer daw si VP Sara Duterte, therefore may prima facie evidence na ninakaw niya yung pera. Madam, number one, hindi siya yung accountable officer, and secondly, yung prima facie na sinasabi mo is more than substantial evidence required diyan sa impeachment trial. So kapag hindi ka nag-present ng other evidence pa, ay hindi mo talaga maidadawit si VP Sara Duterte.
Mga kababayan, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw mayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Isang mapagpalang araw sa ating kabataang Pilipino. Araw-araw, nasasaksihan ninyo sa inyong mga screen ang mga pandaigdigang krisis, bagsakbangon na ekonomiya, at gulo sa politika sa mismong sandali na nangyayari ang mga ito. Nilulunod kayo ng ingay, magkakasalungat na naratibo at mga pangako na bihirang magkatotoo. Ang ingay na ito ang nagdala sa inyong henerasyon upang maging lubos na mapagmatyag, mapanuri at laging nakabantay. Ngayong International Youth Day, kinikilala natin ang temang Different Contexts, Common Aspirations. Magkakaiba man ang inyong kinakaharap na realidad, iisa ang inyong mithiin. Ang disenteng trabaho, dekalidad na edukasyon, at marangal na pamumuhay. Hinahangaan ko ang inyong pagbuo ng mga praktikal at malikhaing solusyon kagaya ng inyong inisyatiba para labanan ang climate change. Hindi kayo naghihintay na ayusin ng isang sirang sistema ang sarili nito. Gumagawa kayo ng sarili ninyong espasyo upang humingi ng pananagutan. Our job is to ensure you have the security and opportunities to build the nation you deserve. Your role is not just to inherit the future, but to defend the truth of the present. patuloy ninyong gamitin ang inyong boses at manindigan. Ang inyong pagiging mapagmatyag ay isang mahalagang sandigan ng ating demokrasya. Sa ating mga kabataan, mga kababayan, mahalin natin ang Pilipinas. Ibalik natin ang tapang at malasakit. Ang lahat ng ating ginagawa ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.